I'm back. This is my little cooking show. Welcome. Today we're going to make homemade Oreos from Bravetart. She recreates and reinvents iconic American desserts. Wow, that looks huge. And that is Stella Parks. So what we did yesterday, not we, just me, the royal we, I guess. So we made some delicious little treats. They're so good. They're just like Oreos, only the filling is a brown butter. So this recipe calls for a stick of butter, 4 ounces, unsalted butter, around 68 degrees Fahrenheit. And you know I do measure my Fahrenheit. Sugar, 3.5 ounces. 3 tablespoons, 2 ounces golden syrup, such as Lyle's. So I just bought Lyle's online, and you can also substitute for that light corn syrup. A 1/2 cup baking soda, no, a 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 4 teaspoon Diamond Crystal Kosher. She uses Diamond Crystal Kosher. 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup, 1 tablespoon, which is 1 1/4 ounces, Dutch processed cocoa powder. So you see that I am using the black cocoa. Black cocoa loves a hand-me-down brew. Yeah, pitchy. That of course is black coffee, that song, fabulous. You can get the drosty, you know, love that drosty lady. So we're gonna combine the butter, sugar, golden syrup, and then you wanna beat it until it's light and fluffy. And in this case, that's going to be 5 minutes. And you can see here that the batter is a little stiff at first, and then we beat it more, and you could even actually beat it more. Then you want to sift the flour and cocoa. Then you knead it together, flatten it into discs, and roll it out. You can see I'm rolling it out between 2 pages of parchment paper. So much easier. Then you can see I use my Nordic ware press and lightly press it on. Sometimes they get stuck, that's okay, just peel it off easily. For the Oreo filling, it's 1.5 sticks or 6 ounces unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/8 teaspoon Diamond Crystal Kosher salt, and 2 cups organic powdered sugar. You know, sugar's gonna kill you, so if you wanna pay more to dye organically, you can. I don't really do organic sugar because sugar's just bad, let's just face it. So you sift that, and then your butter is going to be a clarified butter. Oh my goodness, so good. So that brown sugar, that brown butter, you want to wait until it stops crackling. When the sound stops, you know you're done. And what that is the water has boiled and evaporated off of the fat, and there you have your clarified butter. Then you're going to mix that into your powdered sugar, the 2 cups or 8.5 ounces powdered sugar, and your teaspoon of vanilla. Now you can get clear vanilla if you want, and that will make it really white. I just use the vanilla paste because it's so expensive. First of all, you bake your, I'm doing this so backwards. You bake your crispy little things, your cookies, they're called, in a 350 oven, and you want to bake them for like 14 minutes, she says. That was a little much for me. You can smell when they change, and you don't want them burnt, although I love it burnt, especially with the brown butter. And you really can't tell because they're so dark, right? So 14 minutes max, unless you just have a really low oven. Just test them. You want them to be dry. When they come out, you want them to feel dry, not soft and mushy. Let them cool completely, obviously. Whenever you're gonna fill something or frost it, you want it to cool completely. Then you flip them over. Just take a pastry bag with a 1/2 inch tip, or simply take a baggie. Is that what they're called? Yeah, a baggie, and then you just cut with scissors off like a 1/2 inch, and then you're gonna fill them. You see that I like to use a little star tip because it gives that ruffly little side, which I just think is pretty. See, I have 2 ruffles. I have the ruffles on the cookies and the ruffle on the center, and that's lovely. So you fill them up, and then you eat them, or you give them away if you're smart. These are so good. I mean, the Oreo magic is just that dark, really not very sweet, crisp cookie with that very sweet inner filling. In a very weird coincidence today, I went to post these and my friend, my Insta friend, Well-Read Chef, had done exactly the same thing. And I saw that post, I thought, what, did I post that? I didn't think I did that. And she had exactly the same dark cookies with the same press. Weird, right? Speaking of weird, be sure you go to Tessa Violet's Patreon and listen to our Mom and Me podcast. It's so fun. We had a great time and we just know so much. It's really important that we share that. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoy these cookies. The recipe will be in the bottom. And go for it. You can make these things that are so delicious. You really can. Mmm. Mmm. That's really good. Mmm. Bye.